Hey guys, what's going on? No, today we're not putting the wiring in, sadly. We're going to get it. As much as I wanted to take a break from filming and working on the truck for a little bit, I just can't. I got too much to do. Winter's coming fast, so I want to get as much done before the snow flies. As you can hear in the background, I got one heater on over my shoulder there, that white one on right there, because it's getting cold. Like it's getting cold. It's supposed to snow here soon, so just no break. I got one day off, back at it. I want to thank everybody who's the new subs, everybody like that, all you guys who've helped us grow. Thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you. You make it worth it at the end of the day. Otherwise, I'd just be doing it without this. Anyways, what we're doing today, as you guys saw in the title, yeah, I started putting, let me zoom out. I started moving stuff around in here, getting stuff situated, filling up. I filled the rat up, forgot to get a hose clamp, and then it leaked everywhere, but that's different now. I fixed that. Over here, if you guys can see, move this computer out of the way. I cut the old bracket out. Where did I put it? I can't remember quite offhand where it is. I think I have it in the scrap pile behind the shed. So yeah, I cut that out because I'm buying the ICT billet mount thing that bolts here and here, and it holds the computer like that. So I'm going to get a nice billet cover that says ICT billet on it, and then I'll put an HP Tuners decal on that. And away you go, because you got to watch out for clearance here. And I've got all the room up and down here, if you guys look. Right. To put spacers in or whatever I got to do. So, but that was what I did yesterday. I didn't film it because I was working. Anyways, today we are taking this fan shroud off, and we're going to cut it just there and in here with the little multi-tool that I picked up. So stay tuned. I'm going to pull this out here and set up the tripod, and we'll be back. Alright, as you guys can see, I got it out, and what we're going to do is I marked it there. We're going to cut here, all the way along here, and all along the tape line, and then same on the other side. So then what we have is just like a top flap with a little bit of a rest area for the rad hose and for the wiring. So then this whole area in here will be where the electric fans go. And it'll look, from the top, it'll look kind of factory, right? You won't even notice it. So that's the goal anyways. So I'm going to open this up. Just bought this today. It was on sale from Canadian Tire for 50 bucks. Yeah, regularly like 100 and some. Look at that. 3-year warranty on her. And now when it comes to electronicals, things like these, that right there is gold. That's why I buy Mastercraft. The other day I was there and check out what I picked up for 25 bucks. 69-piece toolkit or screwdriver setup. 25 bucks, regularly 100. I was like, what? So, and all lifetime warranty. So like if you notice, all my tools are Mastercraft, my drill, my grinder, everything. So because they all have lifetime warranties. And you can just take it right to Canadian Tire and then exchange it, no problem at all. Even if you forgot, even if you can't find your like receipt, because you know, who keeps receipts for 20 years, right? So pretty deadly. So anyways, let me set up the camera again and we'll start cutting this. Wish me luck. enough of that. As you guys can see, just keep breaking blades like crazy. So, I hate this goddamn thing some days. So, I'm going to put the cutting wheel on my grinder. And I'm going to zip it with that. I'll be back when it's done. Alright guys, I got that all cut and stuff like that. Oh, so let me have a quick beer. Oh, what a nightmare. That tool, this thing here, I will say, it's not, the tool itself is pretty good. The cutting wheels absolutely suck, but I wasn't smart. What was I thinking? I should use the diamond bit that has a diamond disc. I'm dumb. My bad. So I ended up using my grinder with the cutoff wheel and, well, made a mess. Made a heck of a mess, folks. As you can see, I had to cut it in pieces. But there it is. It's not the cleanest right now, but it'll go. We'll put it in, and then when I'm gonna get a flapper disc, and I'm gonna clean that up way better. So, or belt sand it, make it real proper, and you know. So now let's put it back in the truck and see what it looks like. All right, there we go, guys. Sorry again about the lighting. We did get new bulbs. Turned out to be the ballast here. So that's on the to-do list. Anyways, as you can see, looks kind of factory, eh? Doesn't sag too much. It's a little bit, but not much. Everything goes how it did, except for this. Intake, if you look even right here, we got it just, you know, as the Aussies would say, just a cunt hair between the belt and the pipe. But then again, down here, you guys can't really see it, but where my finger's pointing, there's even less of a cunt hair between the bolt and the belt. So I'm thinking we're gonna be okay here. Like right here. Oops, sorry guys. So we should be okay there, as it won't move. Like it's solid. So that's all good. This is all good. I'm going to have to cut this off and bring this in a bit. It'll help the geometry better, as you guys can see it, right? Yeah, it'll help the geometry way more if I bring that hose in more. Help the loop. If you guys know what I'm saying, comment down below. I'd love to hear it. I watch a lot of YouTubers and stuff to try to get my own, for advice as well, like Mod Lab, Driveway Engineer, you know, all of them guys like that. So, yeah, I like to try new things as well. And tell me what you guys think. Cut that. Even take, like, I don't know, an inch out and bring it in or so. I think so. But yeah, it looks, aside from it being a little bit wavy, because, you know, wavy gravy is the way to be, it'll be good. And it's all now open in there, you see, for me to mount the electric fans. And when I do, it'll also push this up a bit. So that'll be rocking. So, yeah, everything's good to go here. One other thing I noticed, guys, the ICT billet banner makes an excellent tablecloth. If you're at the track and you got an 8-foot table, get one of these banners. You and your friends can dine in style. Anyways, that's where I'm going to end today's video. Yeah, just a quick cutting up some plastic and seeing how it would work. Oh jeez, I'm getting, you know, I gotta say, watching my videos like from a year ago when I first started this video, like this channel, I had a lot less grays in the beard. Like a lot less gray in the beard. So, not saying anything, but I've had my kids for like 9 years, you know, and not gray. I've been working on this truck for a year. Anyways, guys, yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. Go home, make my kid, myself some food, and hopefully we're back next time. Going to pick up the wiring. I hope. Otherwise, I don't know. Comment down below what you guys want to see me do next. I'm at a loss right now until I get my wiring. So, oh shoot! I forgot to buy a battery today. That's okay. That's okay. I'll do that next week. So, anyways, guys, until next time, take care of yourselves. Love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and subscribing and all that. I absolutely love it. All the likes, everything. And God bless yourself. Love ya.